Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science Channel. It's Friday, December the 4th, 2020. I'm going to begin by downloading my data, then uploading the database. So let's take a look over here at something. Let's take a look and see if. So this says. So the question is this: have they switched to weekly numbers yet? In December 2020. In December 2020, all daily updates will be discontinued. Oh, okay, from 7th of December. That answers the question. So that would mean that the first report would be on Saturday or Sunday or Monday. Okay, as of from December forward, and from 10th December, ECDC will publish uh, updates on the number of cases and deaths reported worldwide, aggregate by week every Thursday. The weekly data will be available as a download files in the following formats. As an exception, the weekly updates for the end of year festive season will be published December 23rd and December 2020. So this will take, okay, so I'll end here. Let's see. And from December 10th will be updates we publish. So so I guess that means there'll be no more here. And then the 10th. Then we publish on the 30th for the. So it must be published. Is it published on the 30th for the previous 7 days? Okay. 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 So here we go. So this daily numbers will go away as of December 3rd, and then you begin, and then they'll begin. They should have waited to the end of the year. It's as simple as that. They should have waited to the end of the year. Okay, I don't understand why they didn't wait to the end of the year. Okay, okay, okay. So we're going to take this over here. We're going to take population. We'll cut this, paste this. Okay, okay. Let's see something. Okay, okay. There we go. Let's do a save as now. Okay. Okay, so we got this here. Okay, John Hopkins data. Okay, so now let's let it rip with the. Okay, so now let's get back over here. Let's update our databases. We copied everything over to the data directory. Okay, okay, here we go. Now we're updating both the New York Times database and also the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Now let's go over here. Let's change this to 3. Change this to 3. Okay. This will also create a report that uses Plotly, so we have some interactive plots to look at here. Okay. Let's do a quick check of the data. See if the data is really pretty much if the 3 data sources basically agree. So anyway, this is just the numbers according to European numbers. There's 44,325 with 983 deaths. 44,848 with 987 deaths. 44,745. It's interesting that this John Hopkins is always between these two. It's kind of curious. Okay, 44,745, 990 deaths per day. This is definitely starting to climb on an average basis. Okay, so you can see the European data set showing U.S. cases. No surprise here. As you can see, they both pretty much look the same. Okay, let's take a look at that's stack numbers now. You look over here, we can stack the numbers. Deaths, these are cases, right? You notice the numbers are almost identical for cases. There's a little spike right here, but not enough to really affect anything. So now let's look at deaths. You see the deaths pretty much look the same. This seems to have a little bit steeper curve, but the trouble is this one right here. If we're gonna go start quoting daily numbers, and I'm gonna say no, this number is not even close to this number here. What do you mean it is? Okay, we got this spike here. Now we got this spike over here. Okay, okay. Take a look at this here. These are the low S curves for the three sources. 20-day exponential moving average and 20 exponential moving average for deaths also. But again, if we throw this out, then the high number's down here. This number is a high number. But what happened here? Let's take a look at something back here real quickly, okay? Look what happened. The number fell back down to 2481. Okay, okay. 3190 dropping back down to 2480. So that's almost 500. That's a drop of 500. Uh, okay. So again, this is why you got to be careful to place too much emphasis on single days. Okay. What is more important, I think, is the trending numbers. Is the trending numbers based on daily deaths. Okay, rather than individual days because it's causing a volatility. So anyway, this takes care of the